Welcome to the Optimum CAD solution. I'm Pankaj Ratnaparki. Once again, we'll start the discussion on a plastic product design. We'll take a tutorial number 7 in advanced CATIA and Boolean operation. So here is our today's task. We have to convert 2D into the 3D. So let's discuss about the step while creating the 3D object. So firstly, we'll start for creating the base. After then, we'll add the necessary pads and cylinder as per the drawing in our object. And finally, we'll do the Boolean operation. We'll create the final object. So let's open the CATIA. We'll start with the sketcher. So select the required plane. After then we'll enter into the sketcher. So this is task. First of all we'll start with diameter 114 mm. So we'll start from the origin. We'll draw the diameter circle of a diameter 114 mm. After then we'll draw these three circles at the edge, which is exactly on the circle. So with the diameter of a 10 mm and 20 mm. So those are divided into the three. It means angle of a 120 mm. So we'll split all the three circles according to the 360 degree. So we'll try to use the mirror command and we'll remove the necessary entities from our circle. So here we had used the mirror. Again we'll use the mirror. So that's the circles, the basic circle is get divided into three, that is 120, 120 and 120, and we'll use the mirror command for these three circles around the base circle. Now we'll draw this basic rectangular shape. So here is the dimensions 96 mm. So first of all we'll take a center rectangle and we'll draw on the axis of our center here available. So we'll give the dimensions as per the drawing. (96, 72). Rectangle having the dimension of a 72 mm from the center of the circle to the edge of the rectangle. So here is the 72 mm. So now we have to draw the RH side part, that is the rectangle of a 102 mm and 96 mm and having the basic dimensions. First of all we'll take a rectangle with the same center. So this is the outer rectangle which is having the 102 mm and this is the 63 mm from origin, 63 mm. So from this center of a rectangle, this is the 63 mm. So now we have a task to join these two circle and rectangle each other. But before that we'll give the corner radius. So corner radius is having the dimension of a 18 mm and both four radius are same. So this is 18 mm. So now we have to join these two. So first of all we'll separate out the two entities and we'll give the radius over there. So radius is of a 5 mm. So both side 5 mm radius. We'll remove the unnecessary part and here the basic sketch is get completed for the base step 1. So this is the but before that the three holes are RH side holes are pending, so we'll draw those with having the same dimensions as we draw on a circle. So here is the first circle and second circle having the dimension 10 and 20 diameter. So we'll give the dimensions 10 mm and 20 mm. Here is also same, and we'll erase the unnecessary part. Now upper side. And similarly we'll use the mirror command to create. Plane. We'll draw the rectangle with the dimensions as per the drawing. First of all, we'll give the necessary radius 9 mm. So this is of a 3 mm radius. So all the step 4 is get completed here. So this is the basic body. So before adding the basic, we'll take a boolean operations here. So while doing the boolean operation, so concentrate here. So first of all, we'll take a copy and as a result paste as a result with link. So the radius, thickness is of a 6 mm throughout the part. So we have to do the boolean operations and we'll remove the internal bodies by 6 mm minus 6 mm thickness. So here is the minus 6 mm thickness. So first body created, that basic body is a outer body, and whatever the thickness we removed, it is the inner body. So first of all, we'll add the basic body into the final part, and after then we'll remove the internal body from the final part. So here the boolean operation get completed. So we'll check the thickness by using the cross sections here. So you can see overall thickness is a 6 mm as per the drawing. So this is the overall thickness. Wall thickness is of a 6 mm. So now let's create the remaining features of our component. We'll take a reference of our basic sketches here. So firstly we'll draw this cylinder which having the outer diameter 36, inner diameter 24. And here at a rectangle section there are two cylinders. So we'll take a dimensions of them also. Both are having the OD 30 mm and the center is offset which having the dimensions is 12 mm here and 96 mm from the origin of our center circle. And similarly this is offset of a 42 mm and at upper side it is of a 12 mm. So we'll output again as we discussed. So we did a combined sketch here and we'll use a pad command for required cylinder only. So first of all we'll take a first which having the dimensions 66 and at inner side it is minus 36, 90 and at inner side it is a 51, and the third one is of a 78 mm and from bottom side it's just minus 9 mm. So here all the three cylinders are get completed. So now we have to add this into the final body with first of all we'll take a we have to do the internal body also, so that we'll take a copy and we'll give the radius of a minus 6 mm or thickness of a minus 6 mm, so that we can remove that from final body, and here the final object is completed by using the Boolean operations. So have a look for the sketches for the steps we discussed at the first time. So this is our target, and here is the solution in the CATIA. So internal radiuses and finishing will complete. So here is the object. So finally we converted 2D into the 3D. We'll take a section view. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel, guys. Be connecting with us. We'll share more and more technical knowledge to you. Do not forget to hit the bell icon, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.